Okay, now brother, we start the conjugation. This is slowly I'm building you up, and we are only doing fi'l madi, past tense. We will not touch mudari'. We will only do fi'l madi. Okay, so we start with huwa, and then I write down huma, and then we are doing hum. Now this is, brother and sisters, third person masculine, and then I am doing here, and then I am doing here huma. Okay, and then I am stopping here. All the verbs in the root form that I wrote previously, I said he sat, he went, he left, he drank. Okay, I said he. So what is the meaning of it, brother? In the root form, which is past tense, it is always singular, third person, masculine. No discrimination, brother and sisters, but that's the way the language is. It is always huwa. We start with huwa. Take any verb, it will always be huwa. Masculine, third person, and singular. Huwa is third person, it's masculine, and it is singular. So keep that in mind. That is why we start with a huwa. I will start with zahaba now. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Zahab. This is again I am repeating because it's good to repeat, you will get stronger. Okay, zahaba is fi'al. What is the meaning of fi'al? Action. If there is a fi'al, if there is an action, there has to be a doer of action. You cannot have an action without somebody doing it, brother. And what is the doer of action called? Fa'il. You will remember this. Fa'il. What do I call fa'il in English? Subject. Okay, brothers and sisters? So, now, as I said, if there is an action, there has to be a doer of action. So, dhahaba. Okay? Dhahaba. Where is the fa'il? Mustatir. What we call it? Mustatir. Remember this word, mustatir means hidden. Mustatir means hidden. Okay, hidden. Okay, fine. I am putting a star here. Okay. Now, how do I say two people went? Look at it. First, I write down the word zahaba, and then I say to it alif. What is it now, brother? Zahaba. Okay, where is the verb? Where is the verb? Zahaba. Where is the file? Alif, because I added. So now the file is a part of it. Part of the, they are together. This is a very beautiful thing in Arabic language, brother and sister. Okay, brother, next one. Hum. First I write down the verb, zahaba. Okay. Now I'm adding waw. I'm adding waw with a sukun. And brothers and sisters, this alif is a spelling rule for the time being. This is alif. Whenever you will have hum, then you will see alif also written. Okay, brother. Because of waw, I change this fatha into dhamma. So this is zahabu. Are you with me? This is zahabu. Where is the fa'il? Waw. Where is the fi'l? Zahabu. Without waw, zahabu. Where is the fa'il? Waw. Now remember, these are pronouns, and these I am putting are also pronoun, because alif is equal to huma and waw is equal to hum. Okay. Now I say zahaba. Okay, and then I'm putting here open ta with a sukun. How do you pronounce it? Zahabat. Zahabat. What is this ta? Ta'utanisi. What does it tell me? That the doer of the action was this time a feminine. Okay, where is the file? Mustatir. Never ever say this is file. Father, I have a very weak heart. I'll get a heart attack. Okay. This is ta'utanisi. Where is the file? I'll put a star. It means it is mustatir. Fine, brother. Now I say to you, zahaba, and then I put ta here. Now, brother, I put alif. I put alif. Because I put alif there, then I have to make this into fatah. So it became zahabata. Tell me one thing. Where is the verb? Zahaba. Zahaba. What is the next thing? Ta'utanisi. And what is the next thing? File. So see, this has got three sections. Fi'al, ta'utanisi, and file. Remember this, brother. We want Hunna to come and join us. Hunna says, if I join you, then this is my condition. You will have to do this. And that condition is that Lam Kalima should get a sukoon now. That's a condition. Okay? From Hunna. So, brother, it will become what is the verb? Zahab. Where is the Fa Kalima? With Fatah. Ain Kalima? With Fatah. But Lam Kalima with sukoon. We have to remember that. There cannot be a fail without a file. Okay? So here, Hunna says, take noon from me. So we took a noon. What is it called? Now, how do you pronounce? Zahabna. Okay. I asked you, brother, Zahabna. Where is the fail? Zahab. Zahab. Where is the file? Noon with a fatah. This is called noon niswa. Noon of niswa, ladies. Okay? So starting from Hunna, Lam Kalima gets a sukun. And then the files come. So we have now here Zahab, then we have 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 here Zahab, we have here again Zahab, and again Zahab, then again Zahab. Are you with me, brother? See the sukoon on third radical, Lam Kalima? Now we add files to it, because file has to be there. Anta. What will happen now, brother? Zahabta. And then, brother, Tuma. Zahabtuma. And then Tun. Zahabtun. Then Ti. Zahabti. Zahabtuma. Zahabtunna. And then Zahabtu. And this becomes Zahabna. Is it clear? If you see clearly, brother, is there a vowel sign on it? No. Then what is on it? There is a sukoon on it. I already put a sukun here. And if I put a sukun, normally we won't write sukun on it, but just for us to understand, I put a sukun. This is one group. And these pronouns which come as a file, they come as a file, they are called Sakin pronouns. When it is a Sakin pronoun, then the lam kalima has a proper vowel sign. Do you see fatha and dhamma? And now, brothers and sisters, here the files, look at the files. What is on Nunu Niswa? Fatha, a proper vowel sign. And then ta, proper vowel sign. And then tuma, two proper vowel signs. Tum, then ti, and then tuma, and then tunna, and then tu and na. They are proper vowel signs. We call them harakats. Tashkil, harakats. So then the scholars say that this group is Mutaharik pronouns. What are they called? Mutaharik pronouns. I wrote down, but I will write down again, brothers. We have a group called Sakin pronouns. If there is a Sakin pronoun, then the lam kalima will have a proper vowel sign. And then we have Mutaharik pronouns, Mutaharik pronouns. Whenever there is a Mutaharik pronoun, brother and sister, the lam kalima gets a sukun. That's the rule. Zahaba, Zahaba, Zahabu, Zahabat, Zahabata, Zahabna, Zahabta, Zahabtuma, Zahabtum, Zahabti, Zahabtuma, Zahabtunna, Zahabtu, Zahabna. We have sheets for you that you can practice at home. I request you to do every day 2 of them, not more than 2. 2 is good enough. Honestly, I became very strong in verbs by doing these things. So the idea is that we have to read Quran and ponder over it and understand it, and then only we'll receive the guidance. Otherwise, it will all go over our head. If we want to be happy in our lives, the only thing that will give us eternal happiness will be the understanding of Quran and following the guidance of the Quran. Because Quran will become your shield. The life is not bed of roses. There will be ups and downs in the life, but Quran will protect you. Quran will guide you. Quran will give you sabr. Quran will show you the way out of it. Because Quran is what our hearts and our minds need to take us from the miseries of this world. You want happiness? You want happiness in life? Money, children, they're all temporary happiness. But the permanent happiness will come from understanding Quran and by being nearer to the Quran. Inshallah.
قال محمد هو ابن مالك أحمد رب الله خير مالك مصليا على النبي المصطفى وآله المستكملين الشرفا وأستعين الله في ألفية مقاصد النحو بها نحوية تقرب الأقصى بلفظ الموجز وتبسط البذل بوعد منجز